Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the reading mode or reading view on Google Chrome in 2025. So let us dive into this. Launch Google Chrome, and it is actually simple, guys. You will need to click into these three dots on the top right, hover your mouse over more tools here, and there, the third result from the top here inside that menu, you will see that reading mode. This is going to open up the reading mode as a panel here on the right hand side. So you may, for example, pin it to the toolbar here so that you may access it through the toolbar instead of accessing this menu here. You may also, what you want to do, guys, is through the reading mode is simply access the given website. You would like to read through the reading mode here. All you need to do, guys, is highlight the text on the given website. Now I don't have any example website here, but it is actually very simple. Simply highlight the text on the given website, and this is going to open up and display the highlighted text through the reading mode so that you can read through it. And that's basically it. You may, of course, also use that read aloud feature here, but that's something we covered in a separate tutorial, guys. So that's how you access the reading mode or reading view on Google Chrome in 2025. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.